Oh, you can hear me? Okay, good. Do you know that some guys are making 100K a month into the OFM industry using one strategy? And I'm going to reveal everything inside that video. And yeah, I'm probably gonna piss them off sharing this on YouTube because they want to keep it secret. They want to keep it for themselves. But I don't care to share because I'm Manila and
I just want to be the king of Onlyfans. I want to be the best,
And by the way, this is my new YouTube channel. So if you are into OFM industry, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to share real information that nobody talks about on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the strategy. So the name of that strategy is called follow follow. So let me explain you how it works. So first of all, you will need 500 IG. You can do it with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, doesn't matter. But in that case, we will say 500. So each of those accounts will send 5 follow per day. So meaning 2,500 follow a day. So how they are going to send follows? They are going to use a follow automation. So every day, the follow automation will send 5 follow with our 500 accounts. Then, for example, 2,500 old grandpa will see a notification of a cute girl following him. What they will do, they will follow back. That's 100% sure. Then when they follow you, automatically we will have a chatbot sending them a message. So the chatbot will speak with them for days. They will make them fall in love. They will make them subscribe to OF. And then inside OF, when they are subscribed, we are going to use some strategy to extract the maximum money as we can. And all the strategy, I'm going to teach you everything into this video. So I recommend you to stay until the end. So now you are probably thinking how we are going to create 500 accounts. So we are going to use devicefarm.io to create 500 IGs. So what is devicefarm.io? Actually, it's a website where you can rent Android phones. So you can rent them for every minute. And yeah, you can create phones right here. So we are going to create a new phone. I will show you. So we can call it test account. Okay. I always use Android 14. I think that's the best, like the more stable version. And also they are all fully undetectable, meaning that you can create like 1,000 accounts without any problem because you have 1,000 unique phone and they are real phones. So there is no detections. Device brand, device model, you can, like usually Honor is a good one. Honor X50, that's what I use mainly. So you create. But you can do random because if you are going to create like 1,000 IG accounts, you can go random every time because if you use always the same device brand, it can like cause a pattern and it can be detected. So let's start the phone. So here we go, we are on the phone. So those phones are really amazing because you can create Instagram, TikTok, dating apps, you can create anything and you can create a lot of accounts and you are fully undetectable. You have one different IP on each phones. So it's really, really game changer to use those Android phones. So as you can see, we downloaded Instagram. So here you can basically just create accounts, like making also automation. So let me show you quickly, wait. Here in automation, you can create accounts. You have automation to create like unlimited accounts. For example, you have 100 phones running, you launch the automation and it will create one account on each phone automatically. You can also like post stories, you can post reels, you can warm up the accounts, you can send private message, you can follow other people, you can edit your profiles, you can do a lot of things with the automation on that website. So they're adding some automations. I've seen like, for example, creating Instagram accounts, it's new. For example, before I had VAs doing it for me, but now I can use this one and it's really game changer. Ah, yes, also something important. If you are using devicefarm.io, you can create a lot of accounts, but the problem is that the content, if you're using exactly the same pictures, exactly the same stories on each account, you will get banned. So you need absolutely a spoofer. That's why I'm sharing my spoofer on Telegram. So if you want to get access to my spoofer, you can just send me a DM on Telegram. You can find my Telegram in my bio of YouTube. You are doing /spoof. Here, you can drag anything, like any documents, pictures, video, it will spoof you your pictures or your video. So I can use those 3 pictures, for example, on 3 different Instagram accounts. So it's really necessary to use a spoofer if you plan to use a lot of accounts on IG. And also, I'm going to show you something. So there is someone using my spoofer. This guy have one model and look, he started one account on IG like 1 week ago, something like that. You can see here, there is the little badge, the blue badge new, meaning that it's before 14 days. And you can see he's posting every time the same video, like this one is the same, this one is the same, this one is the same. So he's posting 3 times the same video. He have only 3 videos. And you can see also he's using one nice strategy to target USA. So the flag behind is really important because the algorithm can see the flag and it can understand that it's from USA. So it will recommend the content of that girl to US people mostly. So when you have your 500 accounts, you are going to upload them in our web automation. So that software is a custom one. So it's not for sale. I'm not selling it actually, but I'm showing you how it works. So on that software, I have the chatting part. That chatting part is connected with the API of Capital AI. So what is Capital AI? It's a chatbot that is speaking on Instagram and converting people from Instagram to OF. So the chatting is connected with API, so it's chatting with everybody. It can accept message requests, it can accept follow requests, and it can also follow people. So here you are importing a list of username. So to have a list of username, you have to use the software. I talked about it on my previous video, but the Mass DM software. So it's another software. It costs really cheap, like with $20, $30, you can have a good list of username, for example, 500K, I think, for $30. So when you have the list of your IG's targets, you put them here, and then you will launch the automation, and every account you have will follow, for example, 3 to 7 people at 12 to 3 p.m. So that's an example. So I'm going to show you Capital AI. That's the chatbot I'm using with my automation. I will send you the telegram of the guy selling it. And actually, you can use my code Manila500, and you will get like, I think, $40 for free, something like that, into the software. I was using another chatbot before called Cupidbot. And the problem is that Cupidbot is not using voice messages. This one is using voice messages. So that's insane, because when the guy is saying, oh, you are not real, then there is the AI understanding and sending him a voice messages. So let me show you how it looks like. So listen to this.
I am a Colombian girl, so I hope that you like Latinas.
That's fucking amazing, right? So you can just create a lot of voice messages, and the AI will understand when they have to send it. So for example, here, that's my statistic from today. As you can see here, I have a conversion rate of 24% today. It's really, really nice. Actually, normally I have like 12 or 15. So right now, normally you should have some subscribers inside your OF, because you have your automation speaking in Instagram and sending people to Instagram into OF. So the most important thing is right now, because 80% of the revenue are made into chatting. For example, when the guy is coming into OF, you will have to ask him few questions. For example, where does he live? How old is he? What's his job? Is he single? Why he's single? What he likes in bed. You know, you have to take the most information as you can the first day. You cannot start selling PPV the first day. So PPV is like private content that you send in DMs, for example, sexy pictures, sexy videos, you know. So you cannot do it the first day. You cannot sell something the first day, because it sounds like a scam, you know. So the guy is coming on OF and you're trying to sell him something straight away. It's not like that. People are on OF for a relationship. They are on OF for speaking with someone. They are not on OF for, first of all, you know, doing this. Some of them, yes, but 80% of the people are looking for a relation. Okay, so the second day, you have to make him spend the money. So the second day, you have to be sure that the guy is alone when you are starting to sell. Because if he's at his job, for example, doing something or with people, he will never pay for you know, that kind of content. He have to be alone and ready to you know what I mean. You have to warm the guy with free pictures. Those free pictures don't have to be explicit. They have to be like sexy ones, but not explicit. For the explicit ones, they have to pay. So also the content that you are going to sell have to follow a specific path. For example, it should be like a scenario. For example, the girl is on her bathroom, she's going to take her shower, and so she's starting to send free pictures, like, you know, hiding and showing a little bit, and the guy is getting, you know, getting like this. And then you sending first this part for $10, then this part for $20, then she have something with her, you send the video for $50, and it's going step by step. Because the guy will start with $10 to see this thing. And when he's inside it, so he paid the first $10, it's really difficult for him to stop, because he's thinking not with his brain, but with his you know. So that way you can extract like $200 to $300 per people. So if you want some example of script, you can reach me on Telegram. I will send you some example of script. Also, if you are doing OFM AI, it's really difficult for you to find a good scenario, because you cannot use the face of your model. So you have to do no face content. So this no face content, I recommend you to purchase it. For example, you can purchase it to a real model. It costs, for example, $100 or $200 per scenario. And you are asking to the girl to make content with faceless. So you cannot see the face. But you can also make a face swap of that explicit content. But for the face swap, you have to contact a specific guy. I will put his Telegram on my description, and this guy can make a face swap on explicit video. Sadly, in YouTube, I cannot teach you everything because it will take me like 10 hours. You know, I cannot make a 10 hours YouTube video. So I'm giving you an idea of what a real agency is doing, and you can try to figure out by yourself. So don't forget to subscribe, because in my next videos, I will make videos like more specific, like a real tutorial or how to make this source of traffic. And put a like, a comment. You can ask me anything below that video. You can ask me anything in the comments or into my Telegram. So see you.